Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here, I have the Cateye pigments that I hauled in my last video. I numbered them 1 through 28 only because they don't have numbers on them, and when I do my displays I want to be sure to get the correct number that my client wants. So I'm going to be doing a voiceover. I hope you don't mind. This is the first one and it's a gold one, and this is the first one I tried out. This was trial and error, so I was using it as if it was like the chrome pigment or the unicorn pigment, but let me tell you, it's not going to work like that. The magnet just doesn't do anything. So in this video, I'm going to show you the correct way to use these. So what you're going to need is a dapping dish, a brush to paint the mixture on, a no wipe top coat, a cuticle pusher. That way we're going to use it to pour the pigment in the dapping dish, and an orange wood stick to mix it. And then you can use any color base you want. On here I used Perfect Black by Madame Glam. And then I used this magnet from Joya Mia because this is the only magnet I had. These didn't come with magnets like I mentioned in my last video. So this is the magnet I'm going to use. So like I said, I was trying to rub them on like the website said. On AliExpress it said to rub it on the black top coat when you would do your top coat over the black polish, and it didn't work for nothing. Like no matter how much I rubbed or if I patted on, it just didn't work. So my top coat, as you can see, my black polish it still has the inhibition layer. I did not top coat it. So when you do this, you don't have to do a no wipe top coat over this. So what you're going to do is just do your base coat and then your color, and then you're going to get your dapping dish and you're going to get your no wipe top coat, and then you're going to put a drop in the dapping dish. Well, it depends on how many fingers you're going to use. So right here I'm going to use pigment number 2 that I numbered. You're going to want to open it, and then be very careful when you open these because it flies everywhere or you can spill it. So I used my cuticle pusher to open this. And then I got my no wipe top coat and I did a few drops in my dapping dish. So you're going to want to put according to how much you're going to use. So let's say you're going to do all 10 fingers, you're going to want to do enough to cover your 10 fingers or your 10 nails. And here I just did a drop because I was just going to do the display. So as you can see, I just let a drop of clear top coat, and this is no wipe like I mentioned. You can use any brand, anyone you want, and just drop it in the dapping dish. Then take your cuticle pusher. You just need very little pigment, you don't need a lot, and then you just drop it inside the dapping dish along with the no wipe top coat. Get your orange wood stick and mix it. You want to mix it until the pigment is broken up and it's like there's no chunks in it. So now that we finished mixing this, you're going to get your brush, pick up some of the mixture, and just polish it on the nail. And you want to make sure you get your sidewalls and your free edge because we're going to cure this in a while, and you just want to make sure everything's covered nicely. And if you need to, you can go back in again, pick up more, and do it again. That way you can do an even coat. So now we're going to get our magnet, and the magnet, you want to hold it directly above it. Make sure you don't touch the nail because if you touch the nail, it's going to get paint on the magnet and it's just going to smear it and you're going to have to repaint it again. So you're going to want to hold your magnet for 10 to 20 seconds over the nail, and you can get your cat eye effect. Like right here, I didn't like how the cat eye was because it was too down. So I hold it again, and that's a little bit better. So the beauty of this is you can keep playing with it until you're happy with it, and then once you're happy with how it turns out, you just pop it in your LED lamp and cure it, and that way it'll hold in place. So that's what I did right now. I popped it in my LED lamp, and this is how it turned out. So now after that, you're gonna get your no wipe top coat and just top coat it, and you're done. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna top coat it, and then I'm gonna show y'all how a few more, that way y'all can get the hang of this. So I'm gonna put my no wipe top coat. Make sure you cap your free edges, because you don't want this to chip. So here we go, one more time. We're gonna do the no wipe top coat inside our zapping dish, just a few drops or however much you're gonna do on your nails. And then we're gonna get our pigment, put some pigment inside the zapping dish. Like I said, you don't want to use too much. Mix it. Make sure you mix it to where there's no more powder and there's no chunks in it. You want to make it as smooth as possible. So mix, and then after we mix, we're going to brush it on our nail. Now we paint it on, and like I said, you can go back in and get more if you need more, and just paint it until everything's covered. And then we do the magnet. It's as simple as that. Like I said, I was doing the rubbing technique because that's how it suggested on the website to do it, and I was like, oh my god, it's not working. I just bought a whole bunch of pigments for nothing. And I'm so glad I looked on Born Pretty and I went directly to their website, because most of these jars say Born Pretty. So I went on their website and I was like, there has to be something on instructions on these or something, because it's not working. So I did find something. I did read on there that you have to use top coat mixed with the pigment, and I was like, okay, so why didn't they say that on the website? Whatever. I was just so happy that I finally got these to work, because I was about to chunk these. They were all gonna go in the garbage, but that's how they. This blue one that I'm mixing is so pretty. I fell in love with this one. There's quite a few of them that I love too, but there was one that wasn't a Cateye, and that was number 13. I don't know if it's Cateye or not, but I couldn't get it to work, so I don't care, but it's so pretty. So stay tuned until the end of the video and you'll see all of them. I swatched them all and I will show them to you. So thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!